Hello everyone, how to install the SK20 computer driver. Go to our official website and click on the download section. Select the driver download. Unzip the driver file. And double-click to install. The interface will allow you to choose the language. Next, and continue through the steps until the installation is successfully completed. How to install our editing software. First, go to the software's official website and click on the Windows Download link. After downloading, unzip the installation package and double-click to install. Click Run, select the language, and click Next to complete the installation. Once installed, click Settings to choose your language preference. Creating a label. Click New and enter a title name. Set the width and height, and choose the label shape. Click Create, and then you can create text or a barcode. Click Print Test. Select the SK20 driver name corresponding to your printer, and click Print. In the print settings, you can adjust the printer parameters, including print direction, offset, print speed, and density. Adjust these settings according to your actual needs.